Good afternoon and welcome to the market color session, the New York market color session, which is basically a recap of everything that we analyzed during the London market color session. So I will be starting off with DXY, and we are going to see what price has done from what we analyzed, or rather from when we analyzed till this very moment. I'd like to start from the monthly time frame. Most recent price action, you've seen a sweep of this liquidity and even more push to the downside. And coming down to the daily time frame, of course, weekly, I beg your pardon, we marked this level, the classic box pattern, shoulder, sweep, break. We are expecting that price should return all the way into this shoulder, the left shoulder at 107.581 over a long period of time, of course, because this is the weekly time frame and every candle forms after 7 days, or it's the weekly candle, just as we speculated and we said. And down to the daily time frame, we may see a reaction once price retraces into the left shoulder at 98.580. Right. So, and coming down to the 4-hour time frame also, this was what we analyzed during the London market color session. Shoulder at this level, 97.433, sweep to the upside, break to the downside. Price is presently sitting at this left shoulder. So, right, DXY is kind of ripe for a sell already, and down to GBP USD. Let's see what price has for us. On the monthly time frame, overall price action has been bearish. And then we saw a break of this high, the high at 1.34744. And on the weekly time frame also, I can spot the classic box pattern, shoulder at 1.25004, sweep right here, break to the upside. Long term, we should see price retracing all the way to this left shoulder at 1.25004. And coming down to the daily time frame also, on daily time frame, we may see a reaction right here, right? Once price retraces back into this left shoulder, what we analyzed during the London market color session, that we may see price retrace all the way to 1.33791 before reacting to the upside. On the 4-hour time frame too, we also established that we wanted to see price retracing into this left shoulder, and once price trades into this level, the left shoulder at 1.34584, once price trades into this level, and really to long GBP USD. Price is presently sitting there, so I'll be looking out to execute GBP USD buy, except otherwise there's a box pattern failure. On the monthly time frame for Euro USD, overall bearish, and then we've seen a sweep of this liquidity, and price has been trading to the upside. Now to the weekly time frame too, price has traded all the way into some premium level, and I'm expecting the reaction of that point. Down to the daily time frame also, coming right here, we may see price retracing all the way to this level. There's still room for Euro USD to push downwards on the daily time frame, I beg your pardon. I'm coming down to the 4-hour time frame also. I'm still speculating and expecting that price should retrace into the left shoulder at 1.17052. And once that happens, I am longing Euro USD. Please, if you have questions at this point, or if you have a different bias from what has been analyzed, please do well to type in the chat box, and we'll be looking at what you are seeing together, the different bias you have, while we're still trying to type and pen down our thoughts, questions, and different biases. Registration for the FX Bootcamp training is currently ongoing. Please send us a message on 081 6099 5030. And also, if you're interested in listening our Falcon 2.0 bot, for more inquiries on how to go about that, kindly send us a message on WhatsApp using the number 081 6099 5030. We'll be going on a very brief break, and Lekon will be coming up for his analysis on gold and the yen basket. Do not go anywhere. We'll be back shortly.
Welcome back to the market color. This afternoon we'll be going through, we'll be looking into the precious metal, what has played out since morning after the analysis. All right, now on the daily time frame, our buyer to remains the same, and our markup since morning is that we want to expect price to come right from the 1 hour time frame, how that price should retrace into this zone, this level here that we have on the 1 hour time frame, this shoulder. And then we should look for opportunity to join when price get to this zone to buy all the way to this level so that we can sell. All right, this is the sell position we are waiting for. So since price is still within this range, we are still going to wait. Probably this is going to be the move for next week on the precious metal. All right, for the yen basket, what we have so far on the yen basket, if you look at it all through from the daily time frame too, we expect today to be a bearish day for the yen basket, and price has just been within the range too on the 4-hour time frame, knowing fully well that we already have markets to shift, and this is more like a pullback. All right, as you can see, price has come to tap into this favor gap, and we are seeing it pushing gradually to the downside. So what we expect moving forward is more sell on the yen basket, which is giving us an insight of a buy position on the GBP JPY. All right, we expect GBP JPY to still push a little bit forward. Let's check that on the lower time frame, 50-minute with specific. As we can see, like we said this morning, that we want to see price take out this high properly. When price takes it out and pull back into the zone, then that is telling us that we are good to go for the buy. But right now, price has not really taken out this high and it's just ranging since the morning. Everywhere has been quiet. So today is one of those days. We are trading GBP that we will be watching out a lot to see everywhere quiet. All right, and that is it for GBP. And lastly, for Euro JPY, what do we have going on from Euro JPY? For Euro JPY, we have similar reaction to price has been stalled within the range after the massive sell-off during the Asian session this morning. So what we are expecting to see on Euro JPY is that price should pull a little bit more to the upside. Then we now consider shorting it from this zone. And since that has been what has been going on in the market since morning, everywhere has been quiet. So you don't force any trade, and that's one of the qualities of a good trader. Your ability to be patient even when your setup is not showing up. All right, so just make sure you're patient enough and see what comes out of the market when your opportunity shows up for you. All right, so if there is any question, I would like to take some. And if there's no question, this is going to be the end of the market column brought to you by the Value Field Trading Team for this week. To meet again Monday, 8:30 a.m. Easy time. Weekend is for back testing. Make sure you practice your trading strategy and be prepared for next week, as it's going to be a very profitable week. All right, once again, I'm the Cheers and God bless.